The third one is a smaller group. So imagine a group of 6 to 10 people. It might be a roundtable conversation, or you may have some particular problem that you want to solve and you need to get a decision. Always know what is the outcome that you're looking for, and how, when you're preparing your presentation in this situation, you might not have a PowerPoint. You might just have 1 to 4 points on a page of paper that you want to discuss. These are rich opportunities for discussion and understanding people's viewpoint and perspective. So make sure that if that's the case, that when you want to harness people's viewpoint and perspective, that you are breaking them into small groups of 3 or 4 in breakout rooms so they can maybe brainstorm on a particular aspect of your presentation, come back to the main group and put in the text in the chat a headline about what the discussion covered. I'm Renée Safrata, Vivo Team.